Today I am going to show you how masala dosa is prepared in Udupi style. The one which I am going to prepare is a bit modern style of masala dosa, but typical Udupi style itself. But I am only adding in that red chutney I am adding a bit garlic. The rest everything is the same. So let us see what all ingredients we need for this particular masala dosa of Udupi style. Now the first item for preparation of masala dosa is preparing of the dosa batter. For dosa batter you need like this 3 cups of idli ponni rice, which is easily available in Cochin side, and the origin is from Tamil Nadu, and 1 cup of urad dal, that is ball style. Then the necessary salt. Another thing is that as far as possible purchase first quality of idli ponni rice as well as urad dal. This first you have to put minimum 3 to 4 hours for getting soaked. Then only we have to grind it. And while grinding, you should grind it separately. First you have to grind this idli ponni rice, and after taking that into a vessel, then you have to grind urad dal. Ponni rice gets grinded very fast, but at the same time urad dal will only slowly become grinded. So you have to do it separate. After taking the rice and urad dal into a vessel, you have to add this salt and then keep it for fermentation minimum 12 hours. After 12 hours only, this batter will be ready for dosa making. That's the one point which you have to see. One more thing, during summer season, the batter will get fermented very fast. But during the winter season, the batter gets very slowly. So you have to keep it in a warm place so that it gets fermented a bit fast. This tomato chutney is prepared and pasted above the dosa when we are frying it. The ingredients needed for this is tomatoes 2 numbers, onion 3 numbers, little garlic, 1 bowl of red chili, necessary salt, and all this together is fried and grinded for that little coconut oil. Next is our main preparation for masala dosa, that is preparing that potato masala. For potato masala, 4 to 5 pieces of potato, 3 onions sliced like this way, not chopped but sliced like this. Then 2 tomatoes, little ginger, 4 to 5 green chili, and necessary coconut oil to mix it, and the necessary salt and curry leaves for seasoning. Now the main part is, while preparing all these items, the tawa should be in a medium hot, then only to get roasted very nicely. Regarding potato, in Cochin we get 3 varieties of potatoes. One is Gujarat, second is Metupalayam, and third is Bangalore. Here we use Metupalayam potatoes. They are one of the softest potatoes and beautiful first quality potatoes. But Gujarat potatoes are really good, but in that sugar is a bit more. So for diabetic person it will be a slight problem. But Bangalore potato is okay. This is just a tip for you. Now our fry pan is ready. Oil is ready for seasoning. First add mustard to it. Then add the garlic which you have sliced and kept. Now add that red chili which I kept sliced. Now add little turmeric powder. Now the necessary salt. Now onion. Stir it for another 5 minutes. Now add the chopped tomatoes we have kept aside. Now keep it for another 10 minutes so that it gets fried properly. Now the onion tomato chutney paste, for getting it pasted, the fried item is almost ready. Now we have to cool it for some 15 minutes and then only grind in the mixie, and then it will be getting ready for preparing masala dosa. Now we are going to prepare potato masala. First you add mustard. Once the mustard gets seasoned, add this red chili, this ginger sliced. Now add almost 1 spoon of turmeric powder. Now all the items which I am preparing is maximum for 10 people. Even this masala or the dosa batter, but that red paste chutney, the onion tomato chutney, that may come for another 20-25 dosas. Now add the onion sliced. Another thing to be seen is that whatever you prepare for masala dosa need not be well roasted, only to some extent roasted, because a little bit crispy of these onions and all is really tempting to eat. It's really you feel like having one more masala dosa. Another thing to be noted is that no water is added in this, not a little water. You should not add any water to it, because once you add this water, this gets spoiled very fast. So don't add water. Just do it dry. Now I added the tomatoes also. After adding the tomatoes, you have to go on stir it for some time. Also add the necessary salt. In this you have to add salt, that powdered salt, iodized powdered salt, not the rock salt. Now it's ready to add these potatoes. For adding these potatoes, and you have to smash it like this into powder style. Let no pieces be there. Then it will come as a paste that will be very rich to have, consume, as well as dosa will be looking in an aromatic manner. It's almost hashed. Add the curry leaves also now. These curry leaves and all need not be cooked and all. It should be to some extent raw only. Now our potato masala is ready. Now the onion tomato paste is ready. See, it should be pasted in this style in mixing. Now the ingredients for Udupi special butter masala dosa is ready. The onion tomato chutney, butter, potato masala and the dosa batter. This dosa batter is soaked for 4 hours, then grinded in a grinder separately and then kept for fermentation for 8 hours, and now it's ready for dosa preparation. See, the consistency should be like this. See, it is just the flow is just like this honey flowing. That concentration should be there. Okay, now we'll see how to prepare. Now my plan is to prepare masala dosa in a restaurant style as well as in a home style. Our dosa plate is ready. Now let us first spread the dosa batter. Now add little ghee. Now first paste that onion tomato paste at the center, and now spread everything like this ghee as well as this onion chutney. Now next paste that potato masala towards it, and you should press like this. It should get pasted, then only the correct right taste will come. Now you can slow down the gas a bit. Now you can lift the dosa and just hold it in a triangle shape. Usually butter masala dosa we fold like this. Yes, now our butter masala dosa is ready. Add a bit butter at the center portion. Now we can prepare home style masala dosa. Usually home style we are preparing in small tawas. Now add ghee to it, little ghee. Paste the onion tomato paste. Now add paste the masala. Usually at home we prepare not like triangle shape, just like this half, and add little butter. Our butter masala at home is ready. 2 of them are of restaurant style, one is home style. The combination for butter masala dosa is chutney, that is plain coconut chutney, and sambar, onion sambar. So I think everybody has enjoyed the preparation. So please try at home also the same style, and I think you will all enjoy the taste. We'll meet again in my next video. Thank you.